Dear friends and scholars, welcome to this net coaching. First paper, Unit 3, Comprehension. Through this unit, I am interested in giving some important tips to crack this question on comprehension passage. I am Dr. I. Jesudas SJ from St. Xavier's College of Education, a former associate professor and a research supervisor. At the moment, I am the principal of Punitha Valanar College of Education in Tendagaal district. I have been always a net coach for so many students. I continue to do this even after my retirement from aided post. I hope you will benefit a lot out of this YouTube video. Continue to watch all my videos. I am sure you will be educationally enriched in view of any competitive exam, including NET exam. Thank you very much for your presence here. What is comprehension? The word comprehension means understanding. Comprehension actually comes from the Latin term comprehensonum, which means a seizing, catching. The word comprehension just means grasping with intellect, understanding. The student should read the passage with an open mind. When we have the comprehension of a subject, we have caught certain information, we have seized certain information and then put it into our own knowledge. What are some special guidelines with regard to cracking of this particular question, namely comprehension passage? The main problem is just to understand the writer's point of view. According to the difficulty level of the passage, reading speed should also vary. If it is a difficult passage with bombastic words and philosophical words or words of certain depth, then we must read it slowly and steadily. If it is of light material or the points are so easy to grasp, then we can read it very fast. The very first step is to read the questions quickly. This is the most important tip I am giving you. The second step is to read the passage at one's fastest speed. Perhaps at the subconscious level, we may find out the correct answer just because we have gone through the questions and understood the meanings of the questions. So we should reread the question at one go. First we must read the question, then we must rapidly go through the passage, and again we should reread the question at one go. When our mind is focused, we will get some idea on the correct answer of our question. Something will dawn upon our mind once we have understood the question and once we have read the passage very fast. It is better to tackle the comprehension passage after completing other questions because we need a relaxed mind with a sense of confidence. Then only time management will be easy for us. It is better to tackle the comprehension passage after completing other questions. Of course, as I already told you, with a relaxed mind, without any diffidence in the mind, you will be able to answer these questions correctly. Suppose you have no ideas on the sentences in the comprehension passage that answers the questions, go to the next question. Reread the question carefully that is still unanswered and try to find the reason why we could not get the answer immediately. Perhaps the question may be analytical in nature and accordingly we need to choose the correct option. So out of 5 questions, perhaps one question may be of this type. It needs a certain careful scrutiny on our side. we'll be able to crack this question with all questions correctly. Thank you very much for your patient listening.